Hello and welcome to the Hogwarts Hustle. This will be a wonderful adventure that we'll go on, and we'll just begin right off by clicking this button here. So here, this takes us to Hogwarts, and we will be sorted into a house at Hogwarts. We'll answer a couple questions so that the sorting hat can know a little bit about us. What is your favorite color? Let's say mine is red. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? Let's say I'm an introvert. What is your favorite hobby? I like outdoor stuff. Which word best describes you? We'll say I'm a cheerful person. So then we'll tell the sorting hat to reveal my house. And I'm in Ravenclaw. Great. So the cool thing about this is that you can choose different options. Doesn't matter really what you choose. It'll give you a house, but it'll give you a different one every time. So for instance, this person is in Hufflepuff. Great, so you can do this as many times as you like. When you're satisfied, you can go to the next adventure by clicking on this button here.
The next adventure is creating a Quidditch team where you'll be able to add players and delete players from this list. Over here we have a table with position types and broom types so that you can add those characteristics to your list. And so if you click add player, we can add Bob, preset his information in here. And so Bob is 5'0", he weighs 200 pounds. You know, you can change this however you want to. His position is going to be a chaser, and he rides a clean sweep. So if we add him to the form, you'll see him right here. He just showed up on the list. Now let's say Bob didn't contribute to the team very well, and so we needed to take Bob off the team. So that's what this button up here is for, delete player. You can select Bob down here and delete him. He wasn't very useful. And you can build your team here. It's a pretty fun little thing. Our next adventure is our classes here, and so we have classes where you can change color potion just based on this combo box, green, blue, yellow. You can see the potion changing color according to what is selected here. You can also levitate an object by clicking these buttons, levitate and drop the object. As you can see, it does that accordingly. And so our next adventure, you just click on this button and it'll take you there.
Now our final adventure is defeating Voldemort. So over here we have 3 different combinations of spells that we can play with, and when you're satisfied with the spells that you have chosen, you can push our attack button. And when you do that, a message box comes up and it will tell you what the outcome is. You can also look at the health bar and it should also tell you as well. Now, if you don't defeat him right away, you can push the reset button and try out different spells. And each spell should give you a different result. So we can try it again. And as you can see, we didn't defeat him this time, but it should give you a hint. You can try again. Now, that is the end of our little game that we have here, but over here we have a help sheet. Over here you can come and read about the objective of our game. If you have any questions or are a little confused about different areas, you can just come over here and it should be able to clarify everything for you. Now, that was just a short little demo of our project. That is Grant, Kyler, and Austin's project. I hope you guys enjoyed.